no ye de akwa kogu ne de agwa wie no afa ye hwe se de da ne da ye no no ye online portals no adomonline.com myjoyonline.com and some ahodo bi egu ho no mo e bo boso ama na afa de obonkrata no enso aba ya bobbo nsam ahodo a e woso animu ama na wonso ahunu de etwaguo wo man emu na incoming kwasinsia ene obase ya bonso wa pocket usually no ya na left hand no de ahye boto nim kakra wo my swag na finkrata ni kuta no na yahwe kwasi ene yeda foforo
nyame de ache boko de
o nyame gusu shira
o atari ne wafade efe
se Ghana mante na emu ne wo no
mante de mu mante pa
ye mante ma abroso ebeji wo monsem
ye magana fo nyina happy Ghana month.
Yes.
Only say have a challenge why we should only be focused on our country in the month of March.
Say ye sha say free baby nkakra at least
ye ko ye nimia ye fanto ye ho so se ye beboa ma oman no ayeye
de bia nya match
nko every day
wo de minim say wo ya de because if free say fa wadwuma mi hu so wa she buroni atade da me boa de bia Ghana we kwasinsia me say free say fa na dwuma yi mu
yes
mi hu so wa she buroni atade da
ma she kwasi buroni atade wo
de bia Ghana we
yes
oni o man hene de mehu na meka
ye fanto a team say every day we will make Ghana great,
a better place
every day.
Well, baby,
be a wo team say me de me tu kwan be kwa gotena kwasi broni krom so but seven penny waka say on search be ya oda enti say aduane wo nsayem na water free
okokokoko so a kuntu ehwane a nchia na eba
eti every day
wo be ko yeso aba
every day every blessed day minute bi abenya bia no make Ghana work for our good.
A better place.
Yes. Ye bia ye fan share. Yes, ye were leadership challenges. But yes, you fam de kakra ye betimi ye bia to support. Now bridge that gap of that leadership challenge. And you know how our mind no go through no. Yes, ye. This is Ghana for us. Ushi America ni bia Rebecca America is great. Ushi America ni bia no be catch no. Whether good or bad, every decision ya na ban be take bia no. Be catch say America is great.
Yes.
Ye my ho do entena ye mu. Ye ma manfo wu sampa ye wo man ye friend Ghana. Aha. Ene chiche wiase ye tutu nipa ko na ha na ye de ye bedwe aye.
Ye de ani. Nyame chaze no.
Yes.
Ye de arani. I don't think my Stoneborough you must tell me where we're gonna run go.
Yes.
When we make our country a better place to live.
Yes. Adom for Ghanaian Times and shall say Banyami had more Sunday my birthday.
Sunday.
Yes.
Okay.
This is a later in Siambuati.
Okay.
Omi enta phone to any new penny Julita. Yeah, or war Cape Coast. Sunday or my birthday. And on behalf of the family, yes, we wish him happy birthday. Nyamishiramo. No nyamu kese kopim se me kese pa
onko so anu aduane ne ma
Johnny we say we love you much
say they were funi ye kese no
and every other
so
day.
No
Ghanaian Times I work at and I few
say the pot belly is probably brought
John Dramani Mahama Foni Ghanaian Times I work at see I'll review article 71 scrap ex gratia ex-president John Mahama vows as he launches campaign to lead NDC. Chairman Sabosusufoni and the Ghana card so ID for voter registration. Majority backed CI says it was sanitized, purified voters register. Chinese delegation visits Accra ahead of March government mission to Beijing. Special Independence Anniversary pullout. Ewo da wakata emu. Ashale Botre School Junction Meda accused yet to execute bail bond. Ghanaian Times. I don't know. Daily Guide and Sue Enye. NDC peddling lies on Yisi. Chairman Sabonsu and I can say John Mahama so for the no family, friends, government again, says new Mahama. Otunfo calls for clean campaign. 250 motor riders arrested. Registrar General exposes Oku Jeto Ablakwa. Daily Guide and Sue Enye. New weekend crusading guide the Wakata and Sue Enye. Voter registration document of citizenship blues. Majority backs CEC to use Ghana card for registration. NPP Poo-Poo's Mahama accuses former president of plagiarizing speech at campaign launch. Right to Information Commission orders Lands Commission to release information. Fines 100,000 Ghana cedis for refusal. I do a GR repair. How do we? Oh yes. You be GR repair. Motivate the anche. You be GR for repair. See, I track at the abremo. Now say last year now. Finance Minister Bebo also say, a man for a crown and made free a man on a bar, ye more tax holidays. No?
Yes.
I do summer a boy minica, but some conform social much more yensua. Who should have the real effect now? A what also cat in your name on motor. And yet, track at Tadiakuma Jerry say, Mumma Yunu and you makua, ye more tax holidays. The engine full of Jerry catcher say, I want to infasa documents in my.
I want to be mamma.
I want to buy you. You ever find on pay, baby?
Out of secrecy.
You ever find on pay because your man no tax and the actual cabana say, you person who you did more tax into no. Shema way and coso, Nipado send about 4 by Juma, or them are woody bands or send a boss with me about from Kakam. My young Crofonian free and Nini said Mukunechi, Jerry to Debbie. Jerry, as a Debbie. It's Madame Florence Asante. Montrain, you ever find on pay, said the Kakakono. Nkrumah won Ghana against begging bowl. Imana Amakufibua and I can say. Asante blesses Francis Adenimo on his flag bearership race. Former Asante Mampo MP so akomensha de no akochire oteko koso. New Weekend Crusade guide wakata no. The Chronicle now adwa abamni asabetwa so. Mama swears to keep only 60 ministers. Chairman wants to NDC, you always oppose electoral reforms. Why? Adom gets blessings of 2-4 for his presidential bid. The Chronicle, that's the way.
AdomOnline.com. I'll ask God why he killed my 2 children anywhere we meet. Eastwood, Anaba. Papa, you are bro. Because enough for more. So bad time pay see anymore. And ya babako, me no more. And watch us ada oni nyankopon be bom punim punu be busa ne de ntia waje na dofo mienu efri ne nsem Ghana month mu ne we International Commission on Culture Ghana wo mu chemu a ekwane a wo mu de ne ma hodo egu no na abo we Ghana ho ban wo mu say ya fa hye we Ghana festival nti se de wo ka no ye se match dura no bia eye ne de nti no wo mu to so eye wo mu de na opanyine Henry Cote enre ne no twetwe nkomo na wo che se wo mu madwene yo won se ahonedie ho nsem ne policies ahodo bia aban dia go akwan mu a omo hwema na koyi ama oman no agina brand say say operation clean your frontage ni ade no enkrofo bi si ense de nyina sans onso ba se no vibrant and say de wagege ada konwam kakra ba se tension na te kofom say do si start ye no as wa bo break
o say time na ahode ne wo mu wa gidigidi now for the past 9 months you need MMDCs.
Okay.
So now the onus lie on the regional ministers, no. So may ye a human or say MMDCs
no.
Because near ni MMDCs. But certainly once a war MMDCs in the he can only whip them.
Okay.
Within his region.
Yes, I was sure they or Obia Juma
In fact, management of our local assemblies no any the regional minister Juma.
Okay.
The MMDCs so I'm not say ye be ye impuntu nyuma. And also MMDCs no I reported to the regional minister. They report to the local government minister. So say yenya MMDs as omo ye adwuma you hardly see the real impact of a regional minister. Okay. Enti eno na ekoso ya hu say as what you wanted that but what now say ye adwuma na aba. Yes, so ma take charge.
So be na report.
Yes, it one also has kwanya say within this region we MMDs na say ne wo ye no entwa yi a yes, he report to God. Obetimi ahwepo. Ese adu we see a because this is a decision of RECSEC.
Okay.
And that second so share RECSEC nenso ase. Eti da ama na sa no.
Story way. Restaurant owner jailed for selling chips fried with transformer oil. Transformer oil na no ye dey ya.
Anya oil the good transformer imumbi.
Ade no na for chain dey dey chi ade na nkasa no. Well, me da for call AdomOnline.com wa story no betime bie na afi wewrem na wakenkan hu restaurant ekro ni wura kro no tena no wudidi a wa mo ani ada ho why kwazi
Ajamfa daily graphic any finder and sorry so Commander Edna Egaf Abrim, a constituency with a myriad of challenges. Use of Ghana card was sanitized voters register. Majority caucus, as said. Flag bearership campaign launch. Our scrap S Gracia, John Ramani Mahama, I can say daily graphic and so the finder the Wakata. Akufo-Addo congratulates Nigeria's president-elect Bola Tinubu. 2023 Hajj fare pegged at 75,000 Ghana cedis, equivalent to $6,000. 750 million old cedis. 2023 Hajj. I don't know. Our scrap as Gracia Jomama NDC NPP clash over UCCI to use Ghana card as sole identification for registration. The finder, as the way.
I was saying, I wouldn't say, and I fear that I say, Sakwasi Basaba, I said, Midika, while many ye, and Kebe, there were I said, Midika, Ebeba, Afe Sokrano, I was a pair of Bassans and Nay, if you had an affair, your name, Penifumi, Swatch Chunkom, one son, I was since Yatnasi, Nampense, Mu Atwas, Media, not Badra, so I was since Yaswa, yet I am Waba, not Kai say, I can see you so, Ebeba, Yebasia.